Well, it's my last Saturday in Merida, and I still haven't had time to go and try to find a hammock. And I might already be too late because it's Saturday, so the shop might be closed. But I'm hoping I can go see that, and I definitely know I can go in the governor's mansion, and I definitely know I can take a carriage ride. So, this is how I'm starting the day. I expect within an hour to have a bright red face and be sweating like crazy to the point that I'm gonna look like I was swimming. But let's go have fun and check out Merida, and hopefully I'll be able to get my hammock. Necesito un hamaca mucho. ¿Puedo comprar un hamaca, por favor?
Ya cerramos, amiga.
Sí, pero lunes yo ir a Queretaro permanente y necesito un hamaca.
¿Tiene efectivo?
¿Sí? Gracias. Oh my God, I just made it.
Speak in English or Spanish? Practicar español?
I'm better at English.
Okay.
But, okay,
So this is our prices, or our price list.
Okay.
The matrimonial will be the jumbo,
Okay.
but we have actually another size, the extra large. It can fit like 3 people.
I don't need 3 people
Yeah.
in my hammock.
So jumbo, I think it's great. We have it in cotton and nylon. Well, nylon we only have extra large and king, number 6.
I
and
think
number
I'm
8.
gonna go for cotton this
Yeah,
time.
it's better, more comfortable.
Softer.
So it will be
These are the colors.
this section over
Okay.
here. So if you like some design, I can show
I
you.
like this one, and I like that one.
Perfect.
Maybe that color is stronger. More. Wait up.
There you go.
Okay.
Yeah.
You guys can come back tomorrow and I'll be here.
Use the S hook like this.
Uh-huh.
You put it like this, and there you go. You're good to go.
Okay. I need 1 pair of these.
Okay, perfect.
And I have the S hooks,
Okay,
but yeah, on the hammock.
perfect.
And then you guys can go enjoy your Saturday.
Are you interested in some ropes? Maybe to adjust
yeah,
the
the-
hammock?
Yeah.
This will be 100 pesos the pair.
Okay. So if I'm in Queretaro and my hammock breaks, do you guys do shipments?
Yeah.
You
We
do?
ship everywhere.
Oh, thank God.
Yeah, you can write us or you can buy it on cielohamacas.com.
Okay.
So yeah, no problem.
I have been buying hammocks from you guys for 8 years, and I
Oh.
love them.
Oh,
So
great.
that's why I was like, please be open, please.
Yeah,
I can't
yeah.
leave without one of my hammocks.
We can make an exception.
Without one of your hammocks. They're great hammocks. You guys have they've always been good. The only reason they ever died was because I left them in the sun, or
Yeah,
I accidentally ripped a cord or something. But
Yeah.
all the other ones have never. It's always been really good quality. And
yeah. They are all handmade here in Yucatan. Actually, that
That's
one
right. You
fits
guys
the-
are doing them back here, right?
Yeah.
Is anybody working right now?
No, they are finished.
Yeah, it's
But-
pretty. It's pretty when you have them all out.
Yeah, everything is handmade here.
Awesome. Well, I'm glad I have my one to take with me, and I'll call you if I need more.
Perfect. You can call or email us.
All right. That's on your info.
That's it.
All right. I'm gonna pay, and I got my hammock.
So, are you gonna pay by credit card or cash?
He said, "Do you have cash to let me in? Can I pay with a credit card?"
Yeah.
So
So, as you can see, these are all orders we're gonna ship everywhere.
oh,
Yeah. This is all the fabric we use to make the hammocks. We have nylon and we have cotton. And this is called bastidor, and that's where we make the hammocks. But in a bigger one, this one is small for like a chair or like a hanging chair also. And if you can see, you have to do it everything by hand. You can make them by machine. We use this. Well, this one is two colors, but you have to do it like this to make this.
Just each individual line,
Yeah,
and that's a short one.
You have to
Wow.
you have to put it like this and turn around. So yeah.
Wow, it's like very time consuming
Yeah,
and physical.
Yeah. Actually, a hammock, it takes approximately 2 weeks to make.
But wow.
Yeah, just one.
Oh my
So
god.
yeah, this one is for our classes. We do have classes here to learn how to woof a hammock. Woof?
Weave.
Weave?
Yeah.
Yeah, weave a hammock. So yeah, this is our last student. She's finished it. So yeah. Wow. Yeah.
That is a lot of work. I'm glad you guys make them, so I can just come here and buy one.
Yeah, yeah.
'Cause
So obviously we have
You
another. Yeah, tell me.
you can tell when they're made on a machine. They aren't the same. They're not as good.
Well, Maya hammocks can be. I mean, if they're traditional Maya hammocks, they can be made by
They
fabric.
can't. Yeah.
I mean, the only thing is the fabric or the canvas hammock. That will be more easy to make by machine, but our woven hammocks can't.
That's awesome.
Unfortunately and fortunately, they can be made by machine.
Yeah.
So yeah.
That's good though.
Yeah. There are other types of hammocks that are really more complicated to make because the cord is really thin. Sorry, like this. We use this to make a hammock. Can you imagine?
Oh my god.
A hammock made of this cord is approximately 1 month to make.
Oh my god.
It's the same technique with a bastidor and with a needle. Is it called needle? Yeah. Is it?
Yeah, it's a big needle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And with this cord.
Oh no.
This one are the Ferraris of the hammocks. Yeah.
The Ferraris of the hammock. I like that.
There you go.
Mom, thank you. Thank you for opening up for me. I appreciate it.
We're here to help.
Letting me
Quiero
in
el
the class.
instructivo, ¿verdad?
Hasta luego,
Bye.
gracias.
Have a great day.
I love those guys. They've always been awesome. I'm gonna save the rest of the footage from my awesome last day in Merida for my next vlogs because I just love how the hammock adventure unfolded. Cielo Hamacas were so kind to open up for me even though they were closed and then to give me the tour, but it doesn't really surprise me because I still remember Blossom and I had just arrived in Merida and we stumbled onto their shop and we bought our first hammock from them, and they've always consistently been amazing and awesome. And so really, I don't know, this experience was really awesome because hammocks have become like such a basic part of my life. So a couple things that people usually ask me is like, oh, I try to sleep in a hammock, but I just can't. I'm so used to a bed. I'll tell you this, there is a learning curve. When I first was learning how to sleep in a hammock, it was actually a hammock that was hung over a bed, and I tried it for a week straight. And the first 3 nights I did, like wake up and rolled onto the bed. But then it was one night, I made it through the whole night. And then after that, hammocks for life, pretty much. Now when I sleep in beds, I feel like my bones are just crushing on top of each other. I wake up with back pain, neck pain. I don't wake up feeling as good. I don't know. I think the whole world should just go hammock. And lastly, everyone's favorite question, how do you make love in a hammock? And to that I say, just Google Hamaka Sutra and you'll get a clue. But don't Google that unless you are over the age of 18. Don't worry, the Mayans figured it out. There'll be no love lost if you switch to hammocks.